my loves, so I have a video for you guys, and this video I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in this month's Boxycharm. Now, the box seems a little bit more rectangular. Is it me? Or is the box different? So yeah, I'm going to be showing you what I got in this month's Boxycharm and creating a look using all the products in this month's Boxycharms, and also giving you my opinion on what I think about some of the products. So in this month's box, I got the Tarte Glitter Lip Paint, which is this gorgeous sheer lip gloss. It has some glitter in it. Well, actually it has a lot of glitter. It's very reflective. It reflects to like golds and blues. It's super pretty. I also got the Bodyography lip liner. This is my first time trying Bodyography. I've never tried any of their products before. And I also got the Wonder Beauty Dusk to Dawn blush and highlighting palette. I also got the Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. I've never tried this brand either, so I will be updating you guys on my thoughts on it. And the last goodie that I got is the Suva Beauty Frottage palette, which looks like this. So yeah, if you guys want to see how to create this look right here and also see my thoughts on some of these products, just keep watching. So these are the shades right here. So I already have concealer on my lid, so I'm going to take that Tact color, add that all over my eyelid. I'm going to take this shade, which is called Aesthetic, and I'm going to add that onto my crease. Taking a little fluffy brush, just gonna blend everything out. Taking more of that color. Now I'm gonna lightly bring that color onto my lash line, whatever's left on my brush. And then I'm gonna take a clean brush and I'm gonna take that Tact color and I'm going to add it to my brow bone. Taking the color Structure, I'm going to place this on my lid. And I'm just going to put this shade right where there was no color. I'm going to take a little bit of Fix Plus. I'm going to take that same Structure shade and just to make it pop a little more, I'm going to add it right in the center of the eye. Taking a little pencil brush, I'm going to take that Aesthetic shade and I'm only going to concentrate it on the outer part of my eye. So stopping right where your pupil is. For my inner part of the eyes, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I'm going to go ahead and put my false lashes and I'll be right back. So that's it for the eyes. The only thing that I have to say, I mean, I really liked the shades that I ended up using and these look really pretty too, but the lighter shade is a little bit powdery. It does go all over the place. That's my only thought about this. Moving on to the rest of the face, I am first going to bronze my face. It doesn't have a bronzer, so I'm going to use my Becca Capri Coast bronzer. So for blush, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Tuscan Sunrise. It's a very pretty shade. And over top, I'm going to put a little bit of this. This is too dark for me to use as a highlighter, but I'm going to just add a little bit. Going back with the Suva palette, I'm going to use the highlighter shade on my cheeks. It's a little glittery, but it's pretty. It is a little messy, I'm not gonna lie. Like the glitter the glitter that's in it, it does like go all over the place. For the lips, I'm going to use the Bodyography lip liner in Heather Berry. I do have a balm on. And this is in the shade Insta Famous. And we're just going to add that. So overall, I don't think I really love this palette. I do like some of the shades, but like I don't know if you guys can see how the glitter is like all over the place for the highlight. It is very reflective, and also the glitter kind of falls on your face as well. So I don't really like this one. I did like the Wander Beauty. I think these are all gorgeous shades, and I definitely see myself using these again and again. The lip gloss smells really nice, and I love how it has this reflective, it has some purple and blues on it, super pretty. As for the lip liner, so I wasn't really a fan of this. I like my lip liners to be a little bit smoother and to glide on nicer. This one kind of tugged a little bit. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one.